In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a client feedback system in Airtable. We'll build a simple workspace you can use every day to capture feedback, organize it, and move it toward resolution. First, decide exactly what kind of feedback you want to track so your system stays focused and useful. Common categories include feature requests, bug reports, satisfaction ratings, and general comments. You don't need every category on day one. Start with the types you actually plan to act on. Clear definitions upfront prevent clutter and make reporting more meaningful later. Next, log into Airtable on desktop. Create a new base by selecting Add a base and choosing Start from scratch, or open an existing base if you already have one dedicated to client work. Either approach is fine. The key is that this base will be your single source of truth for feedback. Rename the first table to Client Feedback. Now add the fields that make this table your inbox. Create client name as a single line text field. Add feedback type as a single select with options for feature request, bug, complaint, and praise. Include feedback summary as single line text for a quick headline, and detailed feedback as long text for full context. Add priority as a single select with low, medium, and high. Create status as a single select with new, reviewing, in progress, and resolved. Finally, add date submitted as a date field. Using single selects keeps data consistent and makes filtering and charts far easier later on. To track ownership and progress, add optional fields for assigned to and follow-up required as a checkbox. Make it a habit to update status regularly so items don't stall. Even a quick weekly sweep to adjust statuses and priorities goes a long way. Create views that help your team focus. Make a new feedback view for items with status set to new. Add a high priority feedback view filtered to priority equals high. Create a feature request view filtered by feedback type, and a resolved feedback view to see what's completed. Mid-video reminder: the Airtable website link is at the top of the description, so you can open it and follow along while building your feedback system. For automation, use Airtable automations to notify the team when new feedback is added and to alert owners when a status changes. Choose clear triggers and concise messages so notifications are actionable, not noisy. Finally, review trends regularly. Look for recurring issues, popular feature ideas, and patterns in priority or resolution time. Use those insights to guide product improvements and customer success actions. That's how you can set up a client feedback system in Airtable to support customer success. Thanks for watching.